Today's big surprise, GMG G9 System 4 Bay of has NAS mini PC. Inside the box are the manual, warranty card, VESA bracket, HDMI cable and 19V power adapter. The top cover is made of textured and glossy surface. The center frame is a roll-cage CNC sandblasted nitride material, full of texture. There is a power on/off button on the front. The rear has a 3.5 毫米 audio jack, HDMI ports, a full-featured Type-C port. Each Type-C port that only supports power supply and does not support the transfer of data. And 2.5G network ports, 3 USB 3.2 ports on the side. Equipped with Intel N150 processor, dual system Windows 10 Pro giao Ubuntu system. The BIOS page supports Chinese and English language switching. Compact size and powerful performance at your fingertips, whether it's daily office multitasking or web browsing, 4K video playback, it can handle it all. Next, let's take a look at the internal structure. Let's start with the bottom. First, use a screwdriver to unscrew the bottom two screws and remove the small cover at the bottom. Here are the 4MR2280 hard drive base. Unscrew the screwdriver to remove the hard disk for loading and unloading. Warm reminder, shoot our home with the configuration of the model is to give you the assembly of a good heat dissipation vest. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws on the large cover plate. Pry it off with the dismantling heat, and then gently remove the fan on the 2 power cables. Pay attention to the fan's power cord do not break. You can remove the large cover plate. You can see the 2 fans. The fans can give the memory and hard disk auxiliary cooling. Unscrew the 6 screws on the fan with a screwdriver to remove the fan. Underneath the outer slot sits the Wi-Fi card. It supports Wi-Fi Low and Bluetooth 5.2. Tear off the sponge and remove the 2 antennas. Then you can remove the card and replace it. On the other side is a cool cell battery. Next, unscrew the 4 screws on the motherboard. Flip over the top and pry off the cover with the dismantling blade. Then gently break its shell outward a little. Against the surface of the shell, downward pressure. The other side of the back pressure. You can check out the black surface of the shell. Here you can see the CPU fan and heatsink on the back of the motherboard. Unplug the power cable. Unscrew the screws on the superconducting copper turbo core to remove it. Continue to unscrew the 4 screws to remove the CPU heatsink. Here you can see the new LPDDR5800 MHz memory channel. Note that the memory is not replaceable. Wipe it clean before replace the silicone grease. Then take an appropriate amount of silicone grease and apply it to the CPU. Pay attention to the assembly process. Align the CPU heat treatment system with the 4 holes to prevent the silicone grease from running out of alignment. When installing the motherboard, the front part should be aligned with the holes. When installing the Wi-Fi module, pay attention to the markings on it. The black antenna is on the outside near the edge of the fuselage, and the gray one is on the inside. These are some of the things to pay attention to during the assembly process. The above is the whole process of unboxing and disassembling the G9. Welcome to leave me a message in the comments section if there's any question.